Welcome back. We have the perfect hiking weather, which wouldn't be surprising if it wasn't mid-November. It is 70 degrees today. It's going to be 70 degrees tomorrow, and I couldn't think of a better reason to bust out the tank tops one last time and go for a hike. Today I'm at Chain Lake State Park here in Indiana. It is beautiful. We still have some leaves that are falling, but for the most part, it's 70 degrees and looks like winter on trail. Now, Chain Lakes is special because at this state park, there's 9 lakes that are connected and 4 more that you can hike to. It's a kayaker's dream. Unfortunately, boat rental is closed for the year, so I will be exploring it by foot. This will give you an idea of Chain Lakes. We started on the other side of Sand Lake. I'm taking Trail 12 over to see Mud Lake and River Lake. I'm gonna try and make it over to the Stanley Schoolhouse before I head home. And that is our hike for today. Fall is my favorite time of year. I think that the only thing that compares to fall would be quiet, snowy winter mornings. And I think it's because both of them are so calm. You know, there's no busyness with the holidays or getting the year started, the growing of spring and the doing of summer. In fall, you can just reflect on the year, and it is amazing to think of all the things I did this year. This year alone, I've backpacked in the Smokies and in Colorado. Visited 7 national parks, the Smoky Mountains, and then in Colorado, Rocky Mountain National Park, Mesa Verde, Black Canyon of the Gunnison, and Great Sand Dunes. I feel like that was the first time in quite a while that I really tried something new. Oh, it was so much fun. That was so cool. A few weeks after that, I was able to visit Badlands National Park in South Dakota. While I was in the area, I was able to visit Mount Rushmore and climb up to Crazy Horse. But that still wasn't enough. When I got home, I planned a trip to Cuyahoga Valley National Park in Ohio. So far, I've been to 11 states. And I still have more planned. I'm already working on my next trip. It is something I never thought I would be doing. I didn't know you could do it. I definitely didn't know you could do it in the United States. And it's just a 12-hour drive away where I'll be spending a few days playing in the dirt, in the sun. I don't know if that's enough hints, but if you have any guesses on where I'm going next, leave a comment. The only way to know where I'm going for sure is to subscribe. I really appreciate everyone who has subscribed to this channel. It means a lot to me to know that you're excited to see the next video and that you want to come along with me on whatever adventure happens next. This part of the trail is actually part of the Huff, which is a 50K race that happens every December. It is a wild race that would be really fun to do. They do not cancel for the weather. So snow, rain, mud, waist high water, it does not matter. They are running it. They have the Huff, and then they have the Indiana 100 50-mile race here, so lots of trail running. I have been passed by one runner, but I'll forgive him. Just reached River Lake, which passes over to Mud Lake. Next summer, I'll be back to kayak. How cool to just go through all the lakes. I'm sure it's really far, but bring a picnic. It'll be a fun day. So now that I've been passed by a trail runner and I keep seeing the signs for trail runs, now all I picture is running through the snow in the middle of December up this trail. I've actually done one trail race. It was a marathon. I decided that I was in shape for a marathon after going for a 6-mile run. I had never done a marathon before. I had never done a trail run before, but I still thought it was a good idea. And ultimately it really was. Absolutely loved it. This makes me want to get back into it. And yes, I did finish. It took a lot of hours and I had 2 very bad blisters. We have made it to here. Last time we looked, we were here. Now, instead of 12, we're going to take 4 back to the parking lot. No idea what that was. I'd say we're a few weeks late to see the leaves. The sky today is gorgeous. We're getting close to Sand Lake again. I think the view is gonna be pretty great. I can't imagine a better view to end this hike. Thank you for coming along with me at Chain Lake State Park. The weather was absolutely perfect and it was a great place to think of all the things I was able to do this summer. If you missed any of those videos, make sure that you check them out. I'm gonna stop over at the Stanley Schoolhouse before I leave the park, and I'll catch you on the next adventure. be sure to hit that subscribe button. It'll help me bring you along on my next adventure.